In this movie I'm going to show some recent improvements to our box functionality that allow you to add links that you can choose whether or not you would like to be updated in real time to represent the latest version of a file in box, or whether or not you want to link to a specific version. For most of this functionality you'll require a business grade box account, although some of these functions will also work with the personal grade box account. So the first thing I'll show you is right now I'm logged in as a system admin. I can go to the System tab and click Configuration and then click System Settings, and that allows me to set some settings as to which sorts of box functionality I'll allow. I can also control whether or not users are allowed to connect to Dropbox or OneDrive or Google Drive here too as well. Right now you can see everything is set to true. Now I'm going to show you what the user will experience when they work with the system. So here's a standard user that's logged into RSpace. I'll open a file called Files that actually contains just a single link right now, and I'll go ahead and delete everything in here so I can start from scratch. What I can do here is click on Box, and that will open the standard box chooser window. I'll be able to select a particular folder and maybe choose a file from within that folder, and then I can simply say choose, and that will insert the link for me. And whether or not this link is live or version is controlled by a different area in RSpace. So I'm going to hit save here now, and in fact I'll also hit save and view. And now if I click on this link, you'll see that it will open up in Box, and Box does in fact include now its own round-trip editing tool to allow me to edit this file. And in this case the link that's back in RSpace will automatically point at the new version of this file. But I can actually control that in RSpace by clicking on the Apps area and going to the Box control panel, and then you'll see that I can actually choose whether or not I want links to be live or versioned, or whether or not I want to choose on a file-by-file basis whether or not the file that I link to using the Box file linking tool always points to the very latest version of that file in Box, or whether it statically points at a fixed and specific version of that file. So this is a decision that you'd need to make in conjunction with your PI or your institution, and it has to do with compliance. If you want a very compliant system where the link in your notebook always points at a specific version of a file, you'll choose versioned. If you want that link pointing at something where only the very latest version of that file in Box is shown, you'll choose live.